Just did a little channel swappage. And so now this is what's interesting. Can you bring up the four-way real quick, Timmy? So we swapped our pilot from seat 5 to seat 3. Now seat 2 is a little issue. I think it's an improvement. We're going to go with what we got. Not sure we power tested pretty smooth on everyone, but it looks like we're about to go green. This is heat number 2, about to go green. They are qualifiers 15th, 10th, 7th, and 2nd. Spinnaker FPV is your highest seed. Good luck, pilots. Arm your quads.
OK， 准备开始。
Live on the tone, less than 5. Go tone, we're racing. Again, Spinnaker FPV, if you're watching line of sight, it's purple LEDs, and he is going to be your leader here right off the start.
中国选手在4频道，大家看一下，飞得还是相当的快。
All our pilots working on lap number 2, and Spinnaker FPV, W Bag were 1 and 2 with a tight race, and now Spinnaker FPV with a lot of breathing room. The difference now of about 3 gates. First and, well, now that little accident caused W Bag a whole bunch of issues. Now it's Kanpai up at the number 2 spot. About 1.7 seconds behind Spinnaker FPV with those purple LEDs. Now your leader is on his lid. Kanpai, your new leader, he crosses on to lap number 4, 2 to go. So blue LEDs and now yellow LEDs, 1 and 2. W Bag up the number 2 spot, but it's a battle for that transfer position to stay in the winner's bracket. Mooney is only 2.1 seconds back with 2 laps to go.
张家燕飞得非常的暴力啊，镜头来回的晃。
Kanpai is on his final lap. W Bag crosses over 2.7 seconds back for that transfer to 2-3. Mooney crosses over 1.7 seconds back to see if he can stay alive in the winner's bracket. A battle to be second, and second just hit the top of a gate and got loosey-goosey. The battle is at the tower right now, and we just jumped to the lead into number 2 spot with Mooney. Mooney trying to push the gate. Mooney crashes out, and W Bag survives. Lucky.
Yeah, continue.